I ended up making it in a iced coffee instead of a hot coffee just because it tastes stronger when it's hot coffee, so adding and the creamer, whatever, it just makes it taste better. And I'm not the biggest fan of iced coffee, but this one's actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm not really like a big fan of iced coffees, maybe because most of the time they make my, like, I don't know, they're just too sweet for me, maybe at Starbucks, but this one was good. So I'm impressed. So ahorita nomás voy a hacer un huevo because we have not been grocery shopping. Oops. We haven't gone grocery shopping, so y tengo una papa. Sin huevo con papas. You guys, I just bought these not too long ago y ya están así. That's what happens when you buy organic, right? Like breakfast. Food is done. I'm just gonna wait for my tortillas to warm up, but I just made the huevo con este. So I need to put all these dishes away, and then yeah. Oh, so I bought these little scrubs to remove this because this was hella prieto, but you know, it kind of lightened up a lot actually, and I mean, I'll keep trying it, but it was, I got these little scrubber things. ¿Cómo se llaman? Hold on, let me see. I actually got these two the same day, but these are from Walmart. The steel wool, and these I got at the dollar store. These were $1.25 and these were 99 cents at Walmart, so go to Walmart and get them instead. I had gone to the dollar store for it first, and then I went to Walmart and I saw these for 99 cents, so I got these. Y tienen 10 of them. But yeah, like, I don't know why they look prieto. They look like they're dirty, but they're not. Do you guys want me to do like a what cleaning stuff I use video? If not, then no. Si sí, díganme. Si no, pues no. Uy. So this is what I got for Valentine's Day. I requested this little green vacuum thing to clean the couches, and then this little the liquid for the stain remover or whatever. So yeah, yay! But I did get my ramo buchon for our anniversary in December, and I just thought, you know what, va a costar más el ramo que la vacuum, so I wanted to vacuum this for Valentine's Day. And I don't want to even throw these out because I know that these are expensive, so I still have these. I'm very fodonga, but we're gonna go to the outlets to get him a Valentine's present. This year we're picking each other's gifts. Huh?
You never liked my gift.
Yes, I do. Oh, they put a sticker. How cute. You have those. I like these. Oh, the color.